Today I'm working on the Monaco 2003, 2004 Monaco Dynasty. Got the batteries here. I'm going to clean the terminals. And I'm also going to be working on the fuse box. I'm going to spray this stuff here. Let's see if I can open it one-handed. Oh, lost the tip. Always. You gotta hate when that happens to you. Let's see if I can get it to go back on. Alright, we're in business. Alright, one terminal there. Spray, spray, spray. Spray, spray, spray. I did shake it. Spray. Might help if I show you guys what I'm doing. Got it. Then I have another one over here. Okay. Okay. Let that sit for a while. And let it do its thing. I'm going to go out to the front where the batteries are. I mean the battery connections to the fuse box. Another project is going to be cleaning all these fuse connections. Panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. You get a better picture of panel 3. Panel 3. Panel 3. And I'm going to go slow down because my plan is to take them all off. All the fuses off. And clean the connection. See how corroded it is up here? Right there you can see the corrosion. That needs to get cleaned. This is panel 1. We'll go down slow because I'm going to remove all these darn fuses. And I'm going to need to put them back how they are. And then these connections here, focus, there it is. I'm going to clean with the battery connection cleaner. The reason why there's some fuses there, once it gets hot it disconnects, and then once it cools down it reconnects. Relay there, bunch of connections, more relays here. Well, these are actually relays here. The reason why I need to clean these connections is so that won't happen if if it starts drawing too much amperage because of a bad connection. That's what's going to happen to your wires. So we want to keep that from happening to this stuff. And I'll have a video on that coming up soon. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.